So I'm going to show you a nice, easy way to create a link to this form. Apparently, filling out the form inside this email does not work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this link, fill out in Google Forms. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of shrink this tab a little bit and move it over here. And what I'm going to do is click on these three dots right here. And I'm going to come down here to More Tools. And I'm going to say Create Shortcut. Now you can name it something if you want to. I'm just going to hit Create. And if you notice right here on my desktop, there is a discipline form. So I can close this, minimize all this. Now if I click on this discipline form, it goes straight to this, and now I can fill this out, and I don't have to go find that email anymore.